Hello guys. Welcome to the channel. Today we will learn how to reinstall Apache in Ubuntu system. Sometimes the Apache may get corrupted or we want a new version of Apache to install in Linux. In this case, we always need to remove the Apache and again reinstall it. If we don't follow the correct way, then the Apache may not completely be uninstalled from the system. First of all, for confirmation, we need to stop the Apache server whether it is running or not running. Apache server comes with some other dependent modules when we install Apache. So we also need to uninstall those dependent modules too. So first of all we will purge those modules including Apache 2. You can add -y at the end of the command to allow everything during the process. Anyways, now the process is complete. Then finally run the auto-remove command to clean other dependent modules that require Apache. Then run the which Apache command, and if it outputs nothing then this means our Apache is completely removed. Then also run the Apache start command, which will return some error, which is nice. Now we will start installing Apache in Ubuntu. For installation commands, you can follow our blog. First of all, run the update command to update the local system files and modules. Then run the Apache installation command. You can append -y also. Now the Apache is completely installed. Let's open the localhost of the Apache. But here instead of localhost, I will open the IP because I am running the server on a remote instance. So now the Apache landing page is showing means our installation was successful. Let's create an HTML file and try to open it from the browser. So we can see that HTML files showing from the Apache directory. So that's all about today's video. We will meet in the next video.